Alright, here we are with a video. The dash is done. I still got to put a couple little screws in the corners right there, but just making sure everything is good before I bolt it all, finish it all, button it up. But we got the new pad. I don't know if you can see it too well. Put a light on. Got the glove box all put back together, but we'll be going with another different radio. Now, if you'll notice, this panel from Autometer does not come with the rear defrogger fit switch, and it does not come with the cigarette lighter port. So I had to drill that, and I'm not going to use the rear defogger. So, here's what it is. The gauges and the headlights and all the gauge lights, everything works. Powered up. Gauges do their little sweep. It's a GPS speedometer, so there's no cables involved. Turn signals. 4 ways. Now this little red light here is a low voltage light. And that little light there, that's for low oil. When you lose oil pressure, you get below 20 pounds, that light's going to come on. I don't like motors that make less than 20 psi anyway, but I know what that one over there makes, and it's well way above that. The vintage air is in, it's down here, it runs. You can hear it. The AC function on it, you see a little blue light will come on. There it goes, right there. So the car does have AC again. It's a vintage air kit from Summit Racing. So the dash is done. The wiring harness is done. The wiring of the front lights, marker lights, is all done. Engine wiring is done. The taillight panel wiring is done. The fuel level sender wiring is done. But the reason why this gauge is pegged out, you can't really see it, the fuel gauge, is because the sending unit's bad, and when I pulled the tanks had a repair done to it with some epoxy or something. So National Parts Depot got a phone call, got me a brand new tank and sending unit on its way. And that's where we're at. And I believe the next thing we're gonna try to tackle is this center console and get rid of this bullshit. Look at that. That's crap. Just get rid of that. Put a better shifter in there than that. That's where it's at. The dash looks good. Everything works. And I get to the end of something else, I'll get another video up. And in the meantime, I'll just put some pictures and progress up. But there it is. Thanks for watching.